Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern Japanese garden scene featuring a serene pond with smooth, circular stepping stones leading across the water. The background showcases a sleek, contemporary house with large glass panels reflecting the surrounding lush greenery. A well-pruned bonsai tree adds a touch of elegance beside the pond, surrounded by natural rocks and vibrant foliage in various shades of green and hints of yellow from autumn leaves. The color palette is rich yet calming, with earthy browns of the wooden deck, soft grays of the stones, and deep greens of the plants. A serene, modern architectural scene featuring a minimalist courtyard surrounded by lush greenery. The setting showcases a blend of glass and wooden structures with large windows, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. The foreground highlights smooth white gravel arranged in elegant, curved patterns, interspersed with meticulously placed rocks and patches of vibrant greenery. Towering trees with rich green leaves create a tranquil atmosphere, while wooden overhangs provide shade and warmth to the space. The sky above is bright and clear, casting soft shadows on the ground, enhancing the overall peaceful, zen-like aesthetic. A serene, contemporary garden oasis featuring a tranquil pond with a series of large, flat stepping stones leading across the water. The scene embodies a hyper-realistic aesthetic, emphasizing lush greenery and intricate details. Surrounding the pond, vibrant foliage showcases a variety of plants, with soft, warm lighting illuminating areas among the leaves, creating a calming atmosphere. Textures of the smooth stone stepping stones contrast with the glossy surface of the water and the rich, dark tones of the surrounding landscape. To one side, a large, angular dark sculpture adds a striking focal point against the organic elements. A serene modern garden with a minimalist white house featuring large glass windows, seamlessly integrating with nature. The garden showcases perfectly manicured greenery, including lush bushes and small trees with vibrant autumn-colored leaves. The scene captures a reflective pond that mirrors the architectural lines of the house and surrounding landscape. Soft morning light illuminates the scene, casting delicate shadows and enhancing the vivid greens and earthy tones. A serene, modern architectural scene set in an intimate, natural landscape, featuring a contemporary house with large glass walls that reflect soft, ambient lighting. The house is surrounded by lush greenery and strategically placed boulders, creating a harmonious blend of nature and design. A tranquil water feature flows gently through the garden, with smooth stepping stones leading across the water, illuminated by warm, inviting light. The colors are rich and earthy, with deep greens, warm browns, and hints of gold, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere. A serene Japanese garden at sunset, featuring a modern architecture house with large glass windows, reflecting the soft golden light. The scene captures carefully arranged elements. A large, textured granite rock stands prominently near the foreground, surrounded by lush greenery, including vibrant maple trees. A gentle stream flows through the garden, with smooth stone steps leading across a bed of white gravel. Roman lanterns strategically placed among the plants illuminate the scene softly. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, with a palette of warm golds, deep greens, and soft grays, creating a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. A tranquil Japanese garden scene, featuring a modern architectural home seamlessly integrated with nature. The setting includes a gently flowing stream adorned with vibrant koi fish, their colors contrasting beautifully against the clear water. Lush greenery surrounds the stream, with carefully manicured plants and stones lining the banks. The backdrop is filled with trees showcasing autumn foliage in hues of gold, orange, and green, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic combines elements of hyperrealism, emphasizing the intricate details of both the architecture and the natural surroundings. Serene Japanese garden with a modern touch, featuring a tranquil pond surrounded by smooth pebbles and stepping stones. A gentle waterfall cascades over natural rocks, creating a calming sound. The setting includes lush green plants, carefully arranged boulders, and a backdrop of bamboo fencing, enhancing the sense of privacy. The modern structure boasts large glass windows that reflect the greenery and allow natural light to flood in. A wooden deck leads to the garden, providing a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Serene modern garden scene with a minimalist architectural home, featuring large glass panels that reflect the soft golden light of dusk. The garden design incorporates smooth gravel paths, strategically placed rocks, and lush greenery, including small trees and bushes. A wooden deck extends from the home, blending seamlessly with the natural landscape. The color palette includes warm amber tones from the interior lights, contrasting with cool greens of the plants and soft gray of the gravel. A serene modern garden scene showcasing a well-designed Japanese-inspired backyard. The image features a harmonious blend of natural elements and contemporary architecture, emphasizing tranquility and balance. The foreground includes a smooth, round black stone fountain, gently rippling water flowing from it, surrounded by dark pebbles. A pathway made of irregular stone slabs intersects the lush green grass and meticulously arranged smaller rocks, leading toward a wall of large glass windows reflecting warm ambient light from inside the structure. A modern, seamless glass and wood house nestled in a vibrant, lush forest. The structure features a sleek, flat roof, large glass panels that reflect the surrounding greenery, and warm orange lighting within, creating a cozy ambience.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.